who that?
Yeah, mechanic, you know, right now. I don't take no talk from him right now. Yo, pass the phone.
Do I?
Bitch, I wish me can shop you work up for you.
Hello, mama, talk to Joy.
Yo, watch out. My girl, pass the phone.
Let me tell you this. Your neighbor say me a man for that mechanic. I wish mechanic shop you work. But I want the wife of my girl. Wait till my buck your hair.
Give me the phone.
I want wire, girl. Hello. My girl.
Yo, you know something like me, my girl. Pass the phone, man.
Shop call my man, girl. In the fight a man.
Yo, pass
which
the phone.
mechanic shop you work? Oh, you.
Yeah, you wear mechanic and walk. You told her.
Bitch, my boss will there. My boss will there. I'm not going to come up. Hey, this is
Yo, my girl, I want to.
Leave me alone.
Yo, easy.
Leave me alone. I'm done with man. Me hate you. Talk to the big girl to me here. We don't want no man. I'm not the one part. We don't want no man.
It seems like a lot of these Jamaican men, or men in general, they do not know how to value a woman, and because of it they tend to hurt women time and time again. And sometimes when a woman has tried more than one relationship and it ends up the same way, being hurt, disrespected, they tend to not wanting to have anything to do with men. You think because a woman treat woman, cause the woman them to switch and gone on the next side?
Yes, that is a part of it.
Girl, I mean that even know what to say. You can't ask me that.
Some of them maybe, but I wouldn't, well, no matter how much a man hurt me, I couldn't, you know, fall for a woman. So I think they just have that in them from start, you know.
Because some of them don't like man because I think so my man them do them. Yeah.
When they do something, you do it too public, you go secretly. Sometimes we just think that always we just stay that way. So that's why sometimes the man them just think say well, he's just a walkover, not care about you.
I'm afraid that man wicked.
And that's the reason why women give up on a man?
Obviously.
Do you think that's the reason why you find that women are now saying that they are done with men completely and start going on the next side?
Yes, spare the man because man abuse them too much. So then take the other road. And if the other road are the same thing, then just let it go and say, I just saw you go. Just move on with my life and just run away. But for me, I wouldn't have that thinking.
A woman treat a woman more fairly because she knows what she's going through. And more likely some women get in a relationship based on rebound.
Give me one reason why you don't stop on date, man.
I'm not gonna stop. Even though they're my dog. I'm not gonna stop.
As much as a
As much as a woman never idiot. You can't put up with them some my time. Now I'm going to the next side.
Why do men hurt women the way they do?
sometimes a woman cause it.
Man dog and die dog.
Sometimes when the man them tell the woman them say they love them, then the woman them take advantage of the system. You see what we they do right now? Christ come and do more than what we do. And look how they crucify, look how they deal with him.
They feel respect themselves. That is the most important in a relationship. You have to understand each other. You say, alright, my man not like that, so I'm not going to do it. Simple, my woman not like that, so I'm not going to do it.
Imagine, man make mistake, you know, woman make mistake too, but a man feel like say everything there if you deal with the woman like most derogatory way, disrespect them, abuse them physically, verbally, every type of way, you see me? And it kind of they put a dent in our society right now, and we need to start address these situations so we start can make the females them feel more valued and respected. So more you have to tell the man them out there what them do for the hurt the woman them the way them do it.
Because them selfish. Sometimes they don't realize they're hurting them seriously as much as we feel about what they're doing. I think them just love up them one way, you know.
I woman tell I woman the heart.
I don't understand why men want to be like a dictator. Come on, Jamaican men, you need to step up and do what you need to do the right thing.
Yeah, viewers and subscribers. A whole heap of time men hurt their female lovers. They hurt cut so deep to the parish part. Females them say, you know what? Then done with man. No more man. The question is, what a man could do if hurt you so deep to the parish part to decide say you're done dating men? Alright, remember, like, subscribe, share. I remember if you leave a comment right down there.
The reason why men cheat and behave the way they behave, because women sometimes make themselves very cheap in the sense that they don't have no value for themselves, because if a man take away their virtue, then the pride they have, they don't have anything, because a woman's virtue is supposed to be her pride, and if your pride is gone, you don't have anything. And because they're orientated by money, they just love money, they must always trick man or be the boss. Because if women feel that man can't talk to them no more, they have to go back to God and get the principle, because the principle is set that the man is the dominant side of the woman. But if the man allow the woman to be the man, then everything is going to be messed up.